Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online classes on computer system. Today I am going to take class on computer for class 3. First lesson we have hardware and software. So without any delay, let's go to the topic on hardware and software. So my dear students, I want to ask you a question. Can you touch them? This hardware and software? Of course, hardware we can touch and feel, but software we can't touch. Let us see the computer. What is computer? In simple words, a computer is a machine that can do different types of work. It has different parts that work together to form a computer system. That is computer in simple words. Now, basically, we have two types of computer system. Basically, two parts of computer system. First one, we have the hardware and software. Now, let us see. Hardware. Hardware is a part of computer. All things makes a computer is a part of computer that we can touch. I can touch this keyboard. Yes, no doubt. I can touch this monitor. Yes, no doubt. I can touch this monitor, CPU. I can touch this mouse. So we can touch and feel it very clearly. Okay. Some parts of hardware are outside. So they are attached. These are the hardwares. Okay. And some of the wire cables are also hardware that are attached to the CPU cable. You can see this so many wires, cables are attached to the CPU. So they are also a hardware. Some parts of hardware are inside CPU. When we open this CPU, this box, okay, we can see so many machines are there. Those machines are what? Hardwares too. You can only see them, but you cannot open the CPU. Can you see the CPU? Yes, we can see, but we cannot open. If we open, we can see what is there inside. The hardwares. This too is a hardware. This too is a hardware. Okay. Now, there are special types of hardware devices are used to input words, numbers or pictures. So this is a hardware device that is used to input words. When we type, we enter text in the monitor and then the text is stored in the CPU. So this is also an important device. We enter words, number or pictures. Through pictures we can use hard disk. We use hard disk. Okay. Here we can see the hard disk. Through this we can enter the pictures. These are called input devices. These are called input devices. Here we have pen drives, hard disks and keyboards are input devices. They are also called data entry device. Clearly, no? As I told you, we type here, we enter data and here we enter pictures through disks. So it is known as data entry device. We have also CD. CD also is a hard disk. So through DVD player we can enter songs or pictures we can enter into the computer. Clear? The keyboard and mouse, okay, this keyboard and mouse, here we can see the mouse, are the most common input device. Whenever we do work in the computer, we use keyboards and mouse together. So these are the important and common input devices I can say. We will discuss some more input devices. For example, there are so many input devices. We have joystick, scanner, monitor, etc. We shall see them detail. So dear students, there are so many input devices. We have first the joystick. Joystick is generally used for playing games. This is used for playing games. It is made up of small curved vertical stick with a trackball at the bottom. It helps in moving the things on the screen as it is normally used in video parlor. Next we have the scanner. Scanner is also an input devices. This scanner is attached to the CPU and it reads the word picture from the pages and changes them into machine language. So they can emerge with a page layout. Next, we have the monitor. The device which display information are called output device. Clear? Any device which display any information are called output device. So remember it very well. Now we have monitor. Monitor is an output device because it displays information and give out. It is also known as a VDU, Visual Display Unit. Monitor gives soft copy output. It is used to display information, output or output on the screen. They are of two types. First one is colored and monochrome. These two types of output device we get from the monitor. Clear? Then we have the next one is pen. Light pen. Light pen is like a pen connected a wire within it. A wire is attached to the light pen with a cable connecting to the computer. It looks like a pen connected to a computer with a cable. So whatever is written on the special pad with the light pen can be seen on the monitor. It is also like a pointing device. So this is also a kind of pointing device. So whatever we write with this pen is displayed on the monitor. So it is like a pointing device. So it is not used much but rarely used. Next we have the trackball. Okay, this trackball is just like a mouse, but instead of having a ball at the bottom, it is at the top. You can see the trackball here supposed to be at the bottom, but here in trackball the top ball is at the top. By rolling this ball with your finger, pointed printer moves on the screen mostly. It is used, it is used in laptop and tablet, PC, etc. Next, we have the microphone. All of us, we know that microphone. The use of microphone, it is an input device. We use microphone and it is an input device is used to record the voice and sound into the computer. As we know, when the singer use the microphone, the voice is being recorded to the computer. Then we have the printer. As we know, printer is the most common use, very important in the present world. It gives out a form of hard copy. If on any hard copy in the paper, we print out and we get the hard copy, and we can get result printed on a paper. So we can see the paper here inserted and the printed paper is being let out through this, and we get a printed hard copy. Technically, there are three types of printers. So one is, dot matrix printer, second inkjet printer, and third laser printer. Then we have the speaker. All of us, we use speaker. For what purpose we use speaker, we know it very well. Speaker are used to emit sound and music from the computer. They can be pre-recorded in the computer. So dear students, these are the few important input devices that we use in the computer operating system. So we will meet you in the next class and see you. Hope you will learn it and memorize it for your future use. Thank you.